Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Sadora. I'm so sorry I've been gone for so long. I've been gone for over a month now, but I'm back with a brand new video on how to do these dope ass crochet braids. I'm gonna be using 6 packs of hair, so I definitely wanted to show you guys how I do it. Now, the first thing I'm gonna do is make sure I oil my scalp with my hair growth oil. It's called Chevre Noir. This oil reversed my bald spot that I had for like 4 months. That junk was not growing back, and this oil reversed it. This is what also reversed my alopecia, and this is what's making my hair grow so fast. This oil has been helping thousands of people. People that are suffering from alopecia, people that are suffering from hair loss, thinning edges, slow hair growth. So anyway, I left the link in the description box below. The website is www.cnbysadora.com. Definitely check it out. We're finally restocked, and I promise you it will be sold out in just a few more days, so make sure to grab a bottle. Okay. So this is a basic tutorial on how to do crochet braids, which is super easy. I have more detailed hair tutorials about how to do this technique. I just wanted to show you really how I blend my hair with the crochet hair and why and how it looks so natural. Okay, so after you add all your crochet pieces, what you want to do is concentrate on the part area. You definitely want to make sure that no braid is showing. Okay, so this is the trick that I love to do. I like to take a rat tooth comb and kind of start to slightly pull a little of my hair out so it's not so tight, if that makes sense. So I kind of fluff out my roots so it blends a lot better with the crochet hair. And that's pretty much the secret, because that helps take out the parts of the braids, your original braids. It helps take out the parts, and also it just helps blend your actual root with the hair. You don't have to do this throughout your whole entire hairline. So I only do it to where my hairline is exposed, like the front of my hairline is exposed, so that's where I like to apply this technique. Other than that, if it's not showing, you don't have to put in all that effort. So now I'm just gonna shape it up a little bit, add some volume, like it doesn't have enough volume as it is, but you know, just give it some type of shape, and that's pretty much it. If you want to, you can add mousse or whatever your favorite products are. I'm not gonna add anything. I'm gonna leave it as is. So hope you guys enjoy. Let me know if you have any questions. Leave them down in the comment box below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. And yes, it feels oh so good to be back with y'all. It really does. I'm so happy to be back. So anyways, yeah, all the information will be in the description box below. Peace.